I know I look a little crazy, but I'm filming a chat to get ready with me, but I really wanted to do the eye look in another video because when I'm chatting and doing those videos, sometimes I want to share what I'm doing, but I can't do that and try to talk about something. So I'm using this, and I hope that this is still around. This is the Anastasia. This is the Primrose palette. Okay, if this isn't around, just use what you already have, and even if it is around, you can use what you already have. You guys know I don't like push products on here. Okay, actually I'm using two palettes. I'm going to use this one too. I'm doing them by Mario. There's a color in here that I want to use. That's why I said there's a video that I don't know if it's going to be up before this or not, but this is just a really nice palette to have. Again, I'm not pushing anything, but this is really a nice one to have because it's one that I could use it and do a look with it, all mattes, or I can use it with other palettes. So I use this almost daily since I bought it. This is going to be really easy, and I'm not even using a lot of brushes today. I'm not even going to do that. I have a lot of makeup brushes. And I use them all. It just depends on what I want to do. Somebody shared a video not too long ago, and they were like, what's your favorite 3 BK Beauty brushes? I don't know. I mean, that's a hard thing to say because it depends on what I'm doing. You know what I mean? It's really hard to just pick 3. But I'm going to show you a couple things that, I mean, you could just do a whole look with it, okay? And these ones, no, there's one rougher brush and then there's 2 BK Beauty brushes, okay? The first one that I'm going to show you is this one. This is from Angie's collection. It's the A503. This is fabulous. I can do a whole look with this, basically. I can apply the shadow. I can blend it out, do my outer corner. That's what I used to do that eye look. I use this brush. See? This brush. The other thing is this. This is from BK Beauty. This is their smudger brush, and the number is 204. So this is just really good to get underneath here and just kind of smudge it out. Love that. And then we have the rougher brush number 23. And this is what I use to line my eye. So I create a little bit of a little softer wing today. I got to match it up with this. That's all I use. I use this brush just to clean it up a little bit. My BK, or my, not BK Beauty, my Ficla Beauty. I'm going to go in first and I'm going to use this color right here from the By Mario. It's a really light color. This is what I'm using on my lid and on my crease area as my transition color. And I'm going to say this because I say this all the time. I have a monitor here that I look at because otherwise I'm just looking at a camera. I don't have a monitor. I have to make sure I don't have a booger, that I'm in focus and all of that. I have a mirror here so I can see far away, but then I also have this mirror. So I have a lot of different areas. So I can, like I said, I'm always checking my monitor because I want to make sure I'm in focus. A couple of times I didn't, and I was like this, and I was like, oh great, well, they're not going to see anything. So it's really important that I can make sure that I'm in focus and all of that. So I'm just putting this on my lid and up on my crease. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this color right here, that brown color. This is kind of like a shimmery brown color. I'm going to show you, so if you have something kind of similar. See? Really pretty. I feel like it has a little bit of a shimmer to it. Or is it a matte? No, I guess that one is matte. I thought I had a shimmer to it. Just taking that same brush, and now I'm going to go on my crease and a little bit on the outer corner here. And whenever you're blending, like I hold my brush down too. You don't want to hold it like this and do it. You want to hold your brush down and you want to just do really, really light pressure. That's what's going to give you that nice airbrushed look. And two, when you're using good brushes, it definitely makes a difference. So again, I'm going to go here on my outer corner. I have to pull my eye up too. And then I just apply that. And I keep building it up until I get it to where I want to. Sometimes I will go back to and go add a little bit more color as I'm going, and I am going to go in and just do a little bit more. These are lighter colors, so sometimes I have to build up a little bit more. But these are colors that you don't have to keep going like this. You just press your brush and then you get the color, which I love. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use this color right here, this brown. I'm going to take that on the outer corner right here really lightly. I'm not going to bring it all the way up. I'm just going to keep it on that outer corner. And I'm looking far away because I just want to make sure. I'm telling you, when you are really looking at a mirror far away and you are looking at one close up, you know, close up, it's like, oh yeah, it looks all blended. And I'm looking in the mirror going, oh no, honey, you got to blend it right there. I mean, so it's really important to have a couple mirrors. Now I'm going to show you what I did. Did I bring it in here? Did I bring it in here? Oh, Annie, that's okay. Hopefully I have some left on here. I'm just going to take my concealer brush. I should still have some concealer on. I'm just going to put a little bit right here. See that? And I'm just going to take my finger. This is my, I love this brush. This is from Clé de Peau, and this is the concealer brush, and I just absolutely love it. It's great for applying concealer, blending it. It's great for fixing up mistakes. It's just a good brush. It's nice to have nice powerhouse brushes like that can do like kind of multitask. It's a really pretty color. This is so pretty, this shimmery color. You might get a little fallout. I'm going to use my finger. But it's one of those colors that looks gold and pink, you know, kind of changes. But this is so, oh, I blend some there. It's so pretty. I'm going to do a little bit more. Oh my God, it's so pretty. And then I'm going to take that same brush. I'm just going to wipe it off really good. And I just want to make sure that this is blended right here. I have a little bit of fallout. You're going to when you have a shimmer like that. I'm just going to go in and take a fluffy brush. Just kind of wipe that off. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take that rougher brush 23. And I'm going to go in, I'm going to use this brown right here. From my Mario palette. I have to keep reminding myself it's Mario, not Mario. And I'm just going to start right here. Kind of midway through my eye. I started doing this because I saw Sam Shorman doing this, and I really like the way it looks. So I don't go all the way across. I am getting some fallout. I'll get that. The thing about doing this, you gotta be careful. I'm going to go up here. I'm not going to go outside that line. I probably should have waited to do that, but I can always go over it again if I need to. And I create that little wing. And I'm going to go ahead and clean this up. And I'm going to, again, I'm just going to take that thing, that same one. I'm not putting any more product on it. Let's clean up a little bit more. It looks like it's pretty even. Actually, could have probably went a little darker on this other eye. I'm just going to just do a little bit more. Just be careful. Don't want to go outside. This needs to be cleaned, this brush, for sure, because it's usually pointier. You can tell it needs to be cleaned. Okay, so now I'm going to take my smudger brush from BK Beauty that I showed you at the beginning, and I'm going to go in with that same brown color there that I used on my wing. I'm going to use that on my lower lash line. And we're going to connect it. See how it got connected there? And I'm just going on my lower lash line. I'm going to blend that a little bit more. And don't worry if it looks sloppy, because now I'm going to go in with my, where did I put it? It's right here. My Thick Glow Beauty brush. I'm going to take that and we're just going to buff that. See how it softens that look so it doesn't look really harsh? You don't want to have a really harsh look, you know? I got to get a little eye thing here. I don't want your eye look to look harsh. That's why I like to use a shadow as opposed to a pencil. I just think it's a softer look. I'm going to go in with my, you guys know what I'm going to say. I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Barbarella Brown. I just love it because it's a nice dark chocolatey brown. I'm going to go in with the Charlotte Tilbury. This is that double-ended one. Hopefully I have enough on here before sharpening it. And I'm just going to put this right on. I'll put the details below because I forget the name of it, but one end is the black matte and the other side has like a shimmery color. But it's a very subtle shimmer, okay? Don't let that scare you, but it just brightens your eyes without looking. See how it's just really subtle, but it just brightens my eyes. Okay, this is my final look. So easy to do. Such an easy look. I love that palette. It's great. Now it does have some cheek colors in it, but I don't really reach for that. But I just love it. I think it's a beautiful palette. You don't have to get it though. Use colors that are similar. You guys know I say that all the time, okay? I don't even know if that palette's available anymore. I really don't. If it is, I will put it down below. But again, use what you already have. Create a similar look. But if you have even the brush, if you have a brush that's similar like that, see if you can create a whole look. You don't have to use all the brushes. You don't. They are convenience. It makes it easier if you're someone that's not comfortable doing, eye looks. But those brushes are powerhouses. I mean, you saw I just did a whole look just using a couple brushes. Easy to do, right? Quick and easy look. I could do this going out the door if I needed to really quickly. Even the wing I could do like zippity do it out fast. You know what I mean? Like really quickly. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. And if you would like me to share if there's any other tutorials, anything you're struggling with makeup, please share it in the comments below. Anything that you want to see on my channel, please share it in the comments below because I want to create videos for you. I'm doing this for you to help you guys out, okay? So I need you guys to let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. I am reviewing products. There are some things that are coming up, but I haven't been wowed lately by a lot of things. So when I see things, I get them. But I also, besides sharing reviews, I just like to share tutorials too because I don't think there's a lot out there. I don't think there's a lot of mature women on this platform, but not everybody does tutorials. So I really like to do that. I love to teach. I love to help you guys. So thank you again so much, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.